Today I will guide you through how to create Roblox as a beginner, or how to play Roblox as a beginner. How to play Roblox. First, if you don't have the Roblox on your phone or your PC, can you download Roblox? So here, when I have done a video how to download a Roblox, so check my video. You can download and install Roblox. So here, you launch your Roblox like this on your PC. You have so many Roblox. So here you click on home. So you click on where it will send you to. So you have so many Roblox. So you take your time, you go through to check. Please kindly watch the video to end so that you not mix any steps. If you're new to the channel, you can subscribe to my channel. So you choose whatever you want to choose, or game you want to play, and you go to chat. When you go to chat, you have so many games there, and you see avatar. Let me show you something on avatar. And you go to avatar. So here you choose avatar. You go to avatar. So you have plenty games on avatar. You can also choose one you want, or you're interested with. And let me show you. That's chat. And let me show you avatar. You click on the avatar here. Avatar is the default player or default player for you. So here you can choose how you want to dress the player you want. So here you can go to character. You go to character. You see the character. Maybe you don't want this one, so you can choose a character you want. To use. Here you go to clothes. So you choose a cloth you want your character to wear. Let me show you this. I will choose this for the character. I'll click. See something good. You see the clothes has changed. So here the avatar is where you design your character, how you want it to be. You have parties. So parties, here you can search for a friend. You can click add a friend and you search for the person here. So you can do more settings on your. Here you can find friends. Here is a groups. You click, you get a group, you search for any group, you join. So here, if you want to do settings on your Roblox, here you come here, you come to more, come to settings, and you do your whatever you want to do. So you go to chat again. So I will choose a game I want. I'll click this one. It's loading. So you wait for it to load. So this is the description. You see, this is a description. So you take your time and read through the description. You take your time and go through the description. Yes, you take your time to go through the description and see how the description goes about. Take your time, you read. So after you have finished reading, you want to play, you click here. If you haven't downloaded the Roblox, when you click play, it will tell you to download. So since I have downloaded, I'll click play. See, it is loading. It is loading here. So our motive is to play Roblox.